Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get floating resizable video player in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Float Video Player. On the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now it will ask you some permission. Just click on grant access, click on allow, click on allow again. You can view the video guide or you can just click on close. Now it will auto detect the video present on your respective Android smartphone. So now just click on this play icon, click on allow, just swipe down below. Now click on this open settings. Now just enable this float video player option. Now just click on back button. Now you can see here the floating video player is appearing. Now even you can just resize it just by dragging it. So you can see you can resize it to how much large or small size you want. So you can see here you can just place it anywhere you like, and you can open other application also, still it will show up. As you can see here the various options, you can increase to full screen view, or you can just restore it back to the floating style. And if you want to close it, then just click on this close icon, then it will get closed. Now at the right bottom you can see here settings option. Just click on it. So under the settings option you will see here tons more options which you can check out by yourself. So by using this application named as Float Video Player, you can easily get floating resizable video player in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.